Very good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to study how we will read a clock, how we will tell time. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
First, we can revise what all things we have learned last day. After that, we can go to.
Can you hear Arthur Martin?
I can hear everybody, dear. Okay, so last day we have discussed about the hands of the clock. Do you remember that? Do you all?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Which all are? How many hands are there?
Two.
Two hands are there. Then which all are the hands? Two
Minute
hands.
Minute
Minute hands and
Our hand.
our hand. Minute hand and our hand. Minute hand shows minutes. Minute hand shows minutes. And the hour hand shows hour. Then the short hand. The short hand is called our hand. Short hand is our hand. The long hand is
Minute hand.
okay. Minute. The long hand is minute hand. Okay.
I remember.
Okay. So we can see all those things again. Here, the short hand is our hand. It shows hours.
Can you mute everyone?
This shows hours. This is our hand and shows hours. And this long hand is minute hand.
Minute hand.
And it shows
Minute.
okay. Now, dear children, please mute your audio. Some from one of the house sound is coming. Some
I'm from
disturbance is
Ihan
coming.
Sudhir.
Okay. Okay. Now, the small lines. What we call the small lines?
Lines.
No. What each line represents?
Minute.
One minute. So between each number, how many minutes are there? 5 minutes are there. From 12 to 1, 5 minutes. From 1 to 2, 5 minutes.
5
From 2
minutes.
to 3, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
So when the minute
3 to 4,
hand
5 minutes.
moves,
5 to 6, 3, 6.
when the minute hand moves from one number to the next number, it takes how many minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5
The minute hand
minutes.
moves from 2 to 3, it takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay. Like that, if the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, how many time takes?
5 hours.
Not 5 hours. 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. The 1 hour equal to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. 1 hour equal to
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Okay. Now, if the minute hand is on 1, how many minutes are there?
5.
5 minutes. What about others?
Why?
If the minute hand is on 2, if the minute hand is on 2, 10. If the minute hand is on 3, 15. If the minute hand is on 4,
20.
20. If the minute hand is on 5,
25.
25. If the minute hand is on if the minute hand is on 6, 30. If the minute hand is on 7,
35.
if the minute hand is on 8,
40.
if the minute hand is on 9,
45.
if the minute hand is on 10,
50.
if the minute hand is on 11,
55.
55. Who said 56? It is 50? 55. If the minute hand is on 12, 60. Okay. So this is the how we will tell the minutes. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the position of hour hand. Okay, now I am going to mute you all. Otherwise,
Thank you.
so now the position of our hand. When we tell time, when we read a clock, we have to tell the position of our hand first. Okay, so here you can see the our hand is on which number? 10. So you can write 10. Okay, sometimes the our hand won't be like this. I'll show you another example. If, yes, sometimes the our hand will be between, now for the time being, I am going to read between 9 and 10. So if it is between any two numbers, like now it is between 9 and 10, that time we have to say 9 hours because 9 is already past. It is going to be 10. So we can't say 10 hours. We only can say 9 hours. Like that, if it is between 7 and 8, we have to say the hours as 7. Okay, because 7 hours already passed. It is only going to 8. So we only can say 7 hours. If it is between 1, 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, you can say the hours 2 hours. Don't say 3 hours. Even if it is very close to 3, like this, if it is pointing towards to like this, you can't, like this, if the position also, you can't say 3 because if it is exactly pointing towards this point only, you can say it is 3 hour. Okay, if it is moving from the number, you have to say the previous hour like this. If it is like this, you have to say 2 hours. If it is like this, how many hours now? Now it is between 3 and 4. What is the hours?
3 hours.
3 hours. If it is between 5 and 6, how many hours? 5 hours. Okay. So when you have to be careful with the position of our hand. If it is exactly on one number, you can say that number. Now how many hours?
6 hours. 6
If it is between 6 and 7, what do you want to say?
6 hours.
7.
Don't say 7. 6 hours. It is between 7 and 6. So 6 hours.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to
Okay, ma'am.
how to read the time. Now before that, let me ask you one question. If it is 20 minutes, what will be the position of minute hand? If it is 20 minutes, what will be the position of minute hand? Who can say?
3 hours.
Not hours, minutes I am asking. If it is 20 minutes, what will be the position of minute hand? On which number? 4. Yes, because 4 into 5 equal to 20. Am I correct? 4 into 5 equal to 20. So if the minute hand is on 4 only, we will say that minute is 20. Like that, if the minute hand is on 6, sorry, if there are 10 minutes, who is making sound? If it is 10 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand? 2. Now I am going to mute you all. Let me ask you like that. Now, the position of minute hand, you have to say, it is 5 minutes now. Where will be the position of minute hand? Navaneet, please unmute. Last class, you were not there, right?
Yes.
Oh. What is the position of minute hand if it is 5 minutes? Whether it will be on 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. What into 5? You will get 5.
5.
What into 5? You will get 5 itself. When we multiply by which number you will get 5?
1.
1. 1 into 5 is 5. So where will be the position of minute hand?
5.
5. It's not 5, it's 1. Dear, be regular to the class. Otherwise, okay, you can't follow. Especially time and all. Okay. Now, where will be the position? 1. On 1 will be the position. Then only we can say the minutes are 1 into 5, 5 minutes. Like that, we will count the time. 2 into 5, 10. If the minute hand is on 3, 3 into 5, 15 minutes. If the minute hand is on 4, 4 into 5, 20 minutes. Like that. Okay. Now, if the minute hand is on, if the minutes are 10 minutes, where will be the position? Navaneet, try to say answer. If it is 10 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand?
2.
2. Very good. Have you understood now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one more question. If it is 30 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand? Anchita, please unmute and say. If it is 30 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand?
Ma'am.
What into 5 we will get 30? Try to recollect the table. What into 5 you will get 30? Parvana, don't show answer. Let her say. Yes, Parvana. She has doubt. Okay, tell me. Parvana, unmute. Yes. What will be the position of minute hand if it is 30 minutes? Parvana, tell me. 6. Because 6 into 5 equal to 30. So the position of minute hand will be on 6. Okay, Anchita? Like that, if the position of minute hand is, if the minutes are 15 minutes. If it is 15 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand? Yes, Kevin, tell me. Tell me, unmute and tell me.
10. 10.
No. If the minutes are 50 minutes, where will be the position of 15? 1, 5, not 50, dear. 1, 5. Not 5, 0, 1, 5. 3. Yes. Yes, yes. Now it's correct. You thought it is 5, 0. It's 1, 5. Okay. Now, Meenakshi, please unmute. Unmute. If it is 45 minutes, where will be the position of minute hand? 45. You can draw a clock and check. 1 into 5, 2 into 5, like that. If 45 is coming, where will be the position of minute hand? What into 5, you will get 45. Abigail, yes, say answer. Unmute. 9, because 9 into 5 equal to 45. We will multiply by 5 to get minutes. So if it is 45 minutes, what into 5 you will get 45? 9 into 5 you will get 45. So the minute hand's position will be on 9. Okay. Now, this is the way you will write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Like this you can write. If you don't know if you have confusion with the table, you can write and check. Okay, to know the position. Okay. So I told you, when you write time, first you have to write the hour. So just see the clock. Here, please tell me what is the position of hour and
In 10. In 10.
on? It is pointing towards 10, exactly towards 10. So you can write the hour as 10. After that, 2 dot. And what is the position of minute hand? 2. Then how many minutes? How many minutes? 10.
10 minutes.
So you can write 10, 10. What you can say?
10.
This is the time in figures. In figures, in numbers. Okay. Okay. Now the time is 10, 10. Now we can see like that sometimes.
In your board, there is showing 8:52 a.m.
Okay, that's written over. Yes. Here, my dear children, you can see the hand is between 7 and
6.
sorry. Here it is towards on 7.
7.
And the minute hand is on
4.
4. So how many hours? How many hours? 7 hours.
7 hours. 20 minutes.
20 minutes. 7 hours.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay. Like that. Here, the hour hand is between which all numbers?
10.
Hour hand is between which all numbers? This one I am asking.
6.
This one.
5. 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Man, it is 5:30. 5:30.
This one we are discussing. Here the hour hand is between 5 and 6.
5
The
and 6.
hour is 5.
5:30.
Minute hand is on 6. So 30.
30.
What about this one?
30.
The hour hand is between
9.
9 and 10. So the hour is 9.
9.
And how many minutes? How many minutes?
50 minutes.
50 minutes. 9:50.
9:50.
Yes. Now, here one clock is given. We have 2. I'll make it proper. After that we can.
Match the clock.
Yes. No need to draw. No need to draw because it will take time to draw. So I'll ask one by one. That is better. Okay. Now, yes, Arthur. Unmute. Unmute. For the first clock, the position of our hand is between
3 and 4.
3 and 4. So how many hours?
3.
3 hours. Then how many minutes?
How many minutes?
The minute hand is on
45. 3:45.
the minute hand is on 9. So it is 45. So what is the time?
3:45. The last one.
3:45. So
Last one.
last one. Okay, Arthur. Now Anika, please unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the second one. The position of our hand is between 11 and 12. So what will be the hour?
11, 13.
Oh, 11:30. And the minute hand is on 6. So it is 11:30. Okay. 11:30. Okay. Now, next one. Anika can mute. Now, Ihan, please unmute. Yes, Shivashankaran, wait. Next one. The hour hand is on?
5 and 4.
The minute hand is on, not 4. It is on?
Minute hand 3.
So, what is the time?
5. 5:15.
5:15 because 3, if the minute hand is on 3, the time is 3 into 5, 15. 3:15. Sorry, 5:15. Next one, Shivashankaran, please unmute.
9:15.
Ah, yes. The hour hand is on 9. The minute hand is on 3. So it is hour is 9 and minute is 3 into 5, 15. So the time is 9,
15.
9:15. Okay. Now everybody open your rough book. Rough book. If you don't have rough book, you can take your maths notebook. If you don't have rough book, you don't want to draw these clocks. Only want to write time. You can write A, B,
Ma'am, we
C.
get it little.
Sorry?
It is very small.
Sorry?
It is very small.
It's very small. I'll make it big. Can't, this one is, let me try. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, it's maximum size, dear. It's very difficult to see.
No.
Okay. Try to write answer. I will tell the position if you want. Take your rough book.
Ma'am, it is very small. Can you zoom it?
Oh, it's difficult, dear. Let me try. Anyway, I'll tell the position. That is better. Okay.
That will be better.
For the first question, A. The hour hand's position is between 3 and 4. And the minute hand's position is on 7.
Our hand
Only
is on?
till
Our hand is on.
I am showing till
between 3 and
your
4.
better I will ask one by one. By the time others write. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now Janisa, please unmute.
Ma'am?
For first question we are going to discuss. Here the minute hour hand's position is between 3 and 4. So what will be the hours?
3.
3. And the minute hand position is on 7. So what will be the minutes?
35.
Yes, 7 5s are 35. Very good, dear. So 3:35. Okay, very good. Now next, Sovit, please unmute. Yes, B. Dear.
5.
Wow, very good. He can see clearly. Then what happened to others? The our hand's position. The blue hand is our hand here. It is on 10, so 10. And the minute hand is on 5. When you're writing, you can write 0, 5 because it will be better. Okay. Now, next question to Deva. Please unmute. C. So with can mute your audio. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Deva, C. The hour hand's position is between 1 and 2. So how many hours?
1.
1. And the minute hand's position is on 3. So?
50.
So what is the time? 1, 15. Okay. Thank you. Now, who is the next person? Rebecca, please unmute. Rebecca, fast. Unmute.
Ma'am?
Here, the question D.
Okay, ma'am.
See, here, the hour hand is not on 9. It is near to 9, but it is not on 9. Can you see? It is. So how many hours?
9.
No.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me?
No, ma'am.
Dear, now am I audible to you? Here the volume is correct. Please check your device.
Now
Maybe,
it's correct, ma'am.
dear, here the position of our hand is not on 9. It is near to 9, but not exactly to 9.
8 hours.
So it should be
8 hours.
8 hours. 8 hours. And what will be the minute? What will be the minute?
11.
11. Is it 11 minutes?
No,
If
ma'am,
it is
no,
on 11, how many minutes? 11 into 5. 11 into 5, what you will get?
11 into 5. 11 into 5.
Multiply. 1 into 5, 1 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
What you will get?
1 into 5, 1 into 5.
1 into 5, 1 into 5. What you will get? Very bad. 11 into 5. Look here. Dear, look at the screen. Rebecca, 1 into 5. 1 into 5.
1 into 5. 5.
5. Again, 1 into 5.
5.
5. So what is the minutes?
55 minutes.
55 minutes. 8:55. Okay. When 11 comes, 11 into 5, 55. Okay. Now, next question 2. You can mute your audio, dear. Mohammed Sahil, please unmute. Unmute. Dear, here the position of our hand is between 2 and 3. So how many hours? Sorry, you want to do. Okay. If here the position of question E. Here the position of our hand is between 5 and 6. So others, please mute your audio. Some disturbance is coming. Sahil, how many hours?
1 hour.
Sorry?
1 hour.
No, dear. I'm asking the position of our hand is between 5 and 6. So how many hours we have to take? 5 or 6?
5.
5 hours. Because 5 hours only passed. 6 hours only coming. So 5 you have to take. And the minute hand's position is on 5 itself. So how many minutes? Minute hand's position is on 5. So how many minutes?
25.
Yes, 5 into 5, 25. Very good. Have you understood now?
Yes.
Sahil, you can mute your audio, but don't turn off your video. Now, next question to Arshika. Please unmute. Arshika?
Ma'am.
Here, next question. Our hand's position is between 2 and 3. So, how many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours. And the minute hand's position is on 9. So, how many hours? 9 into 5.
45.
45. Yes, very good. Now, Niranjan. Yes. Niranjan, please unmute. You can mute your audio, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Niranjan, next question. Our hand's position is between 12 and 1. So, how many hours? Between 12 and 1. How many hours?
12 hours.
12 hours. And the minute hand's position is on 8. So, how many hours? 8 into 5.
40.
40. Very good. Okay, next, who is there to get chance? Netik, please unmute. Netik?
Ma'am.
Here our answer's position is on 7.
Okay.
So how many hours?
2.
The hour and
Seven.
position is on 7. So
7.
7
Seven.
hours. Then
Seven.
minutes. Minutes hand
Minutes
is on
is
2.
2. 10.
So 10.
Seven,
2 5s are 10. So 7,
Seven.
10. Okay. Next, Aiden. Please unmute. Unmute. First. What happened here? Unmute. Try to unmute now.
4. 20.
Hmm?
20.
Now try to unmute. Okay. Aiden, I'll come to you later. Jyoti, please unmute. Aiden, I'll come to you later. Jyoti.
Ma'am.
Next question. The hour hand is between 6 and 7. So how many hours? The hour hand is between 6 and 7. So how many hours?
6 hours.
6 hours. Then the minute hand is on 4. So how many minutes?
20.
20. 4 into 5, 20. You have to put 2 dots like this and you have to write the minutes. So first you have to write hour and then you have to write minutes. Okay.
Minutes.
Now, fast take your workbook. Fastly take your workbook. 2, 3 questions we can do. After that, we can wind up. Now, if you take fast. Page number 7.
7.
Page number 7.
When took.
Question number 4.
If the time.
Who is, wait. Now, some are there to get chance. Let them. Yes. Sana, please unmute. Read the question fast. Sana, unmute fast. You want?
Ma'am, which
Page number 4. Sorry, page number 7, question number 4. If the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at 9, the time is dash.
Ma'am,
he
is not there.
Please look at the screen and say.
Okay, ma'am.
If the minute hand is on 9, how many hours?
9
hours. 9
hours.
hours. And the hour and, sorry, if the hour hand is at 9, it is 9 hours. If the minute hand is at 3, how many minutes?
The minute hand is 3.
How many?
6.
How many minutes?
6.
Is it, do we want to multiply by 2, dear? By which number we have to multiply? By 5. 3 into 5. What is the minute? 3 into 5?
3 into 5.
Alan, please unmute. 3 into 5?
5. 2.
3 into 5, 2. Sana, study table properly, okay? At least table of 5 now. Alan, please unmute. Fast. My dear children, 3 into 5, what will get? 3 into 5? 15. So which is the answer? B.
9:15.
Now, question 5, 6, you can do as a homework. 5 and 6. Okay.
That is complete.
5 and 6, those who didn't do, you can complete 5 and 6. So I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.